Guys, yesterday we called a lot of places, like a mechanic, car repair places, but their reply wasn't that great because everyone gave us rejections. First, our car is a foreign car, they don't want to even look at it, and second is our VIN number and then plate number is Korean, so they cannot even put on their system, so they couldn't do it. And so we got a lot of rejection. It's like we were kind of trapped, but like luckily we found the mobile mechanic guy on the Google. So we called two places. One place didn't answer. The other guy I answered right away, and he's gonna be here within 40 minutes. So hope that we can get some good news. And luckily he has experience with our Kia Bongo, which is Kia Preview. There's only 8 cars in UK. We found the information through the MOT. They said like only 8 cars, but we come here, so now it's a 9 car. If there's another car comes, it will be 2-digit numbers in UK. But anyways, Mark is quite nervous, and we are nervous actually, right?
Yeah.
And we are cleaning up the car so that he can take the car later. Yeah, I'm nervous too. We haven't slept well for 3 days, struggling about this matter. So hopefully we can get a good news, huh?
Let's hope. Cross your fingers.
Yeah, cross fingers. Alright, let's clean up. Guys, it's raining more. You can see the fog. I'm not sure the mechanic can watch our car, look at our car with this rain, but Mark said that, like British people way like used to have a rain, like a rainy day like this. So I hope he can do it, but look at that, this weather doesn't look great. It's windy too. It's not a good day, huh? What the? Awesome. Hi.
They kept sending me around that way.
You know, same thing when we tried to find this place, we were going around in circles. Yeah. What was your name?
Tony.
Tony.
This is Lucy.
OBD, the jack, honey, the cable.
Yeah.
It's that one.
So it already gave you the code and you're just trying to find out. Oh no, you're trying to find the car. Yeah. Right.
1, 2, 3. Did you find something?
Yeah, it came with a comparison.
진짜?
So lots of fault codes, right?
Guys, our car is quite unique, right? It's a 2004 and only sell to the 3 countries, which is Korea, Australia, and Brazil. We use OBD and we found the Bongo Preview, but couldn't read anything because it makes sense, right? Because sometimes it doesn't work. But they found the Terracan. Engine is the same, so they found that one. Anyways, what?
That's one of the things I was thinking about.
What?
The accelerator sensor. Remember I mentioned that.
Accelerator, right?
Yeah.
It's number 1. Part number 여기 적혀있다 했지, 사진 찍은 거. So I just took a picture for Mark and the mechanic guy, because for me I can access here in the Korean world. So hopefully like part number is matching. So I found it. 저게 어셈블린 거야? Oh, this is a whole assembly, huh?
Yeah. This isn't the assembly. This is just the sensor.
그 whole assembly를 다
This is where
고치라는
the
거지?
sensor goes in right there. But what they want to sell you is this whole thing.
Wholesale, alright.
Maybe it will do something.
Is it working? I haven't heard it rev that high for a long time, to be honest with you. That's freaking awesome, dude. Yeah, that's awesome.
Is it working?
That's why you need a real mechanic.
그래?
You don't need those plug and play guys. Honestly, Tony, I feel like you're a superhero right now. Superhero wearing the hoodie. You know how much Tony's charging us?
얼마?
80 pounds.
아 진짜?
Yeah.
우리 100파운드밖에 없었는데.
He said he didn't really do much. He's been here for like a couple hours.
그니까. 여기는 기름값도 엄청 많았을 텐데.
I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much.
I'm
honey.
gonna give you a hug.
No.
Thank you much.
Any problem, just give me a call, right?
Yeah, yeah. And I'm gonna write you a kick-ass review too.
How do you feel? Awesome. Okay. So guys, I cannot believe that we had the only 100 pounds.
Yeah.
So Tony to come here is the 60 pounds and per hour is 40 pounds charge. But we know with that kind of car situation, we decided it would be quite dangerous to drive down, especially in Scotland. There's a lot of mountains, hills. So that was our best choice. And oh my god, he charged us only 80 pounds because minimum we are supposed to charge give him 100 pounds. Hi, I can see you're enjoying the weather.
She curious also. Come on, no. Sorry about that.
No, it's okay. Oh, she's a really lovely dog.
Thank you.
Oh my god, what a relief. Okay.
Alright, let's go.
자, 부부 진행관 끝. 오늘 저녁은 라면입니다. 오늘 너무 그동안 힘들었던지 둘 다 완전 뻗었어요. 그래서 저녁 간단하게 먹기로 했습니다. 마크는 토트는 게임을 지금 유튜브를 통해서 듣고 있어요. 중계를. 손흥민 팬입니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. 진짜 잘 끓였네.
Sensor needs to be changed completely.
Okay, so today is kind of testing drive, and the accelerator wasn't responding as before, right?
My foot's to the floor right now.
Okay.
This switch here. It's on pretty tight. Just want to see if it's somehow loosened up or something.
Hello, Tony. So I started up the car, and unfortunately, it's the exact same problem. All right, it's all right. Thanks, buddy.
비는 많이 오고 우린 갇혔습니다.
Oh no, I used all the eggs thinking we were going to go shopping today.
스토니한테 다시 전화를 했습니다. 그래서 부품을 아예 새로 교체를 해야 될 것 같아요. 그래서 찾아본다 그러고 내일 다시 전화를 주기로 해서 찾아지면 바로 전화를 줄 건데 일단 내일까지는 어쨌든 전화를 준다고 하네요. 안 찾아지면
Oh, I think he came with his wife.
아 진짜?
Yeah.
Hello, Tony.
So long have you been traveling for?
We left Korea in 2018. I didn't catch your name actually.
It's Dawn. Dawn.
Doan. Okay. My name is Lucy.
Yeah, I said. It's a lovely name.
Yeah.
Like it. How is Korea?
Compared to Korea to here, you mean?
Yeah, I've never been, so I'm curious.
Korea is quite different. I'm from the south part of the Korea, and weather is not that cold like this.
Oh,
Not many
I'd love
snow, and everything is a quite fast move. Internet is everything fast, and most of stores open 24 hours. So never sleep because everything is so bright. Yeah, here is different, I think. So you can feel more nature, and actually I like it.
So how are you enjoying it here?
Yeah, I like it because I think, to be honest, I like more Scotland than England. Yeah.
Like the scenery is much nicer.
Yeah.
I think with England it is that they are kind of trying to be like America, I would say, because it's they're wanting to be more fast paced in the way, and everyone's so busy, everyone's rushing about. Whether here it's just that no deep rush.
Yeah, kind of relax and yeah, I like here.
You found the part, huh? Oh no. This comes out of a Kia as well, or no?
That came out of the wheel Hyundai van.
Okay. Yeah, they look so similar, huh?
pretty much. I'll make it work, don't worry.
Alright. You know, temporarily clip them together to see what happens.
Yeah, just see if it works.
Yeah. Well, she's not revving full. Switch is not working?
No, but it's working, but it's not.
Not like same level, yeah. Ooh, that's more promising. Oh no, it just revved by itself,
Yeah,
right?
that's what it was doing last time, isn't it?
Oh, so you put my old one back in.
Yeah. I might have to take this one with me
Yeah, just take it.
because I don't think it's gonna work.
Yeah, take that. If you need to take the whole assembly, just take the whole assembly with you. If it's impossible to find, then maybe we can contact someone in Korea and get it shipped to us.
Yeah.
You know?
I'll try my hardest.
Yeah.
I thought it was close.
Yeah, no, I really appreciate it, Tony. I mean,
It
like,
was almost.
not many people would go that extra mile. You know, most people would say, "Oh, screw this." Hey.
파트가 도착했다 그래가지고 지금 손이랑 돈이 왔습니다. 물건을 옮겨야겠어요.
Look what they got us.
Oh my god, what is that? What is that? Oh my god, thank you guys. Oh my god. Oh, that's really sweet.
어이, 추워.
Hello, thank you for the gift. You're getting a rain. Should we go inside while the guys are working on the van?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah. Okay. Oh.
Oh, ooh, that's a good sign. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so that means we got the right sensor.
Oh my gosh.
It was hard to find it. I said to him, take a picture of that bit.
Uh-huh.
I was like, does it have a plug in it? He was like, send me a picture of the plug. I was like, that's the one. But now you know, if it ever happens again,
Yeah.
Hyundai Tucson TDCI.
Oh, the check engine light's off.
What?
That's the first time we've seen it off in a long time. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah.
How's it going?
It works.
Oh, thank God. It works.
Yeah.
내가 열어도 되나?
Yeah, open it. Two lips.
Oh my God. honey야? 우리 이렇게 포장된 선물 받아보는 건 너무 오랜만이지 않나?
Right.
너무 이쁘잖아. 짜잔. 토니랑 더니 선물 준 거야. 토니 너무 이쁘다. That's so cute. 토니야. 냄새 너무 좋다.
맛있겠다.
Smells good. Do you want to try?
Yeah, let's try one.
이래라. Today we are gonna have a surprise guest. Actually, we were planning to meet some other places and make the time, but I think like just happened right away. So I was texting with the Dawn. She's a mechanic guy who fixed our car, Tony's wife. And then I guess like they're near here, so they asked us like, do you want to do barbecue tonight? And like, all right. And then we're preparing right now. Mark is editing, and he's like editing English video, just like rushing right now. And I'm making a meal for them, because we are gonna do barbecue, but like I wanna at least serve them a little bit of Korean flavor.
Oh, you didn't record anything.
Oh, I forgot. It's like, I think this is the first time like 4 people are here in our van.
Yeah.
Welcome to our little tiny house.
We still have remnants of the barbecue here.
So you didn't record either?
No.
I think we enjoyed too much our time.
I guess
Forgot
so.
of the camera, like.
Yeah.
La,